In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ClickUp mind maps. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. ClickUp mind maps are a fantastic way to visually organize your ideas and workflows. They enable you to transform complex thoughts into clear, actionable tasks without ever leaving the platform. This means that as you brainstorm and develop your projects, you can effortlessly convert nodes into real ClickUp tasks, customize those tasks, adjust the layout of your branches for ease of understanding, and link everything to essential project details, such as assignees and statuses. It's an efficient approach to not just brainstorm, but immediately translate your planning into action. Now let's dive in. First, you'll want to open ClickUp in your web browser or the desktop app and sign in. If you're already logged in, that's great. You're one step closer. It's important at this stage to check that you're in the correct workspace and account, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. This quick verification will prevent you from inadvertently creating your views in the wrong place, which can be a real hassle down the line. Once you're in the right workspace, the next step is to choose the space or folder where you'd like your mind map to reside. This is crucial because it ensures your mind map stays connected to the relevant tasks and lists you're working with. Now at the top of the screen, locate the View option and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Mind Map. This action will add a mind map view in your current location. You'll then be presented with two options to start your mind map. The first option allows you to start from scratch, which gives you the freedom to express your thoughts freely. Alternatively, you can utilize existing tasks to automatically structure your mind map. For today's walkthrough, let's go ahead and use tasks for a more streamlined approach. When you select existing tasks, ClickUp will generate a mind map with your list name in the center, and each of your existing tasks will branch out from it. This setup offers a clean and clear visualization of what you have and helps you spot any gaps or dependencies in your project. From this point, you can manage your tasks directly within the mind map. If you come across a task that you no longer need, simply click on the trash or bin icon on that specific node to remove it. Conversely, if you want to add a new task, click the plus icon and type in the name of that task. As you continue adding nodes, it's a good idea to keep your branch labels short and clear while grouping related items together to maintain organization. If you notice the layout starting to feel crowded or a bit chaotic, don't worry. ClickUp offers a relayout option, allowing you to tidy everything up with just one click. Notably, because this view is fully integrated with your workspace, you can open any node to modify key details like the assignee, status, due date, or priority. This means that your brainstorming session isn't just a jumble of ideas. It's a fully actionable plan that everyone on your team can follow. Using statuses is another great feature of the mind map, as it allows you to show progress at a glance. You can also assign owners right from the map, ensuring that everyone knows what their responsibilities are moving forward. Mind maps are especially beneficial for planning sprints, breaking down projects, or organizing complex ideas into manageable parts, while keeping everything visually appealing and easy to navigate. And there you have it. That's the core workflow for using ClickUp mind maps efficiently. However, it's worth noting that mind maps are only available on the business plan. If you're using the free plan, unfortunately you won't have access to this feature. But you can always try them during a business trial to determine if they're a good fit for your needs. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, whether you're brainstorming or planning projects, utilizing mind maps can help streamline your thoughts and enhance productivity. Have fun exploring ClickUp mind maps, and I'll see you in the next video.